Not that one. Not that one. Let's fix this. Oh, this will be real tiny. As tiny as I can make it. What's that? No. You know what? Let's do that again. All right, I am good with that. I'm doing the stuff that I didn't get done earlier today. So yeah, let me just. I'm gonna have to rush through this. So let's just do a simple app. Let's get something we can take a look at here, and we should be able to localhost. This is good. All right, that's what we want. All right, let's check. Let's see, are we clean? We had a little stuff. Jammy starters. Good. We're using Java 8. We're doing version. I kind of want to do some things. Plus plus. What else? Just clean up. Let me see what else I got here. What else do I normally do? Project name. Yep. Group ID, artifact ID. Okay. And then I'm not gonna do that. Project version. I think that's it. Should I do the management endpoints? Yeah, let's do that. Expose. All right. So let's call that good. And then let's take a look at what we got. Resources. That's good. All right. So now, if we do this again, mv nw spring boot run. Good. We should see that, and we should see actuator health. Can we do info? Let's do the build info. Where I just did this. I'm gonna go look at another project here. I don't remember it off the top of my head. Sean, nope, it wasn't Sean. I was Spring Office Hours. Spring Office Hours. It's in here. I'm just looking for the build info piece. Here. Nope, it's in this hall. Is it? Here. Let's just try that again. I'm just saying, hey, I would like some build info to be included with my info. Did I do? Was there a source? Oh, I gave it some properties. No, I didn't do anything fancy. So I expect this to give me some info. Perfect. Version. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right, that's done. That's done. So that's honestly all I need to do. So let's do this. This is the old, right? Get status. Get add boop. Get add booped it. Get status. Commit. Ancient. Spring boot 2.7.17. You know what I can do? I can just do this. All right, let's try this again. Get status. And then clean spring run. We are still using Java 8, right? Nope. Gotta do that over here. Java version. Okay. One more time. All right, so there's my Spring Boot 2.7.1 app. It works. Let's make sure it still works. Here. Refresh. It's good. Refresh. It's good. All right. I'm feeling good. So, ancient. Get add top. In Java 8. Java 8. Push. Okay, bat, GitHub. Where was it? Let me find out where this project was. And I can share that right now.com. Let's see what's that project that I created. Should be this last one. Spring into the future. Alright, oops. Like it'd be like cool to put like something here, right? Let's upload a picture. Do I have let's do it over here. Hello. Really, I can't move this? Oh, I'm gonna see if I can find a picture. Spring. I know I have one somewhere. Oh, but actually, I don't. That was on an old computer. So let's go find one. Let's go find a spring. Spring logo. SVG. How about this? Can I use SVG here? Please hold. Just want to unzip that picture. All right, a little bit better. I want to. Boom. Wait, what just happened? I thought this would be. Let's just make a cool GitHub. What up? What is up? I am trying to make a pretty repository, a GitHub repository for a thing we're gonna do here in a couple of hours. So I'm just like pinging and sharing, and I'm gonna keep on going. We had you missed a fun stream with Josh and Duan. And it was fun. We did a YouTube client. Maybe I'll get back to that. I'm tired. It's been a long day, but I do gotta finish this. So let me do this. I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna push this over to my friends. And I think I'm just gonna leave that there. Hey, there's our example. You know what I should do? I should make sure that this is gonna do things. So we're here, and you know what I like to do. Let's let it do its due. All right, so that does that, and yeah, and it worked. And then we can do this thing over here. We have Java 21, Java dash version. Just making sure that all works. I'm confident it's gonna do, right? It's a demo. Today's been a good day. Today has been a good day, Thomas. Oh, Thomas, the schema. I didn't forget. I forgot. Thomas, I forgot to get you the schema. But you're here. Like, I like to hang out with you. You're here. Let's find that schema over here. First of all, let's validate our work is done. We're gonna wrap up this. I am awful at. Okay, that works. This is good. That's okay. It's good, and it's good. Whatever you do, do not click that. Do not use that QR code. Do not use it here. Just kidding. It's the same QR code. All right, so this is good. I'm happy. That's done. We did it. We did it. We have a repo. Like, hey, I'm gonna give this to my friends. All right. All right. I don't think I'm going to make it for the first episode in the morning. Here's the repo with Spring Boot 2.7.1. Boop. Here is the command to, oh, what's that? 2.7.1. Java 8. Here's the command to upgrade it to Spring Boot 3.1.5 with Java 17 or Java 21. Boop. And you know that command, you know it, I know it. It's called Spring Cube. That's what I do. But I have it over here somewhere. Spring. No, I'm tired. That's when, you know, like when you start doing this thing that I'm doing, that's when you know it's tired and it's time for bed. The productivity is going to just tank from here on out for the rest of the night. It's going to tank. So let's wrap up, and then let's not push it. Let's just not push it. There it is. And we're all set. So my teammates have been updated. And we are moving. Now let's just jump over here. Right, I can close that. We put a logo on it. We don't need that. We don't need that. Spring into the future. Right. So this works. Boom. But we're not going to commit that. We're good. This is slick, but we're going to come back to that. What I wanted to do was I want to grab you those schemas real fast. Okay, because I know where they are. I was on my iPad. I don't know where they are. I was going to say, I have them bookmarked, but I was on my iPad. Let's go to Project Spring Security. Authorization Server. Support. Reference doc. I swear they had. Okay, that's not it. Here we go. No, I looked at it. Here it is. Here's the client schema. Here's the authorization schema. Wait, no, these I already showed you these. The schemes that I found didn't include groups table, for example, which were necessary for the JDBC manager. What? I think we have. I feel like there was more here. We have the user code. We have principal. Registered client ID, principal name. Where do you want to jump in? You are free. Okay. I'm gonna go peek. I'm trying to think. I have this schema done somewhere. Oh, actually, I think I just remembered where. And it's something I cannot show on stream, but I believe I have it. Thinking. syncing CD. One. I think I have it. Authorization. Please don't. I didn't want to do that. Here we go. Please hold. Enter this. Oh, it's private. Okay, I don't have a copy of it. The user details manager. Here. Right, you know how to do this. So I'll send you the link over on Discord. Oh, sweet, look at this. Here we go. Boom. Here, boom. All right, so you've got an invite over on Discord. And I'm gonna change my mic somehow so that we don't get the super double echo. Thinking audio, the speaker is gonna come through chat. But I don't want to do this. I don't want to do stream, I just want to do mic. So I'm thinking that you cannot hear. I think we'll be all right. We'll be all right without music, with the two of us. So I'm going to turn off the music. And you'll be here in a minute. Wonderful. Like, this is good. No, I don't want that. I want the user details manager. Here we go. This used to have a schema. I want the demo, advanced configuration options for federating identity providers. Select for. Oh, you know what? This is wait. If you configure the user details and get started, you can move it now. Yeah, getting started. Here. And it's weird, like this is not cool. So here we go. User detail service. That's in memory. We don't want the in memory one. User detail service. There was, I know, there's code. User info. I'm sure I'm just not seeing it. Customize the ID token, the user info mapper. starting to wear on me. There he is. All right, I got us. We're tiny up in the top there. I'm gonna let you share your screen and show me what you found, and I will try to follow along and see if we can jog memory and get you set up. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I want to remove this.
Now I can hear you. Hey.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Wonderful. All right, so we're up there. I'm going to let you drive. You share your screen.
Yeah.
Show me what you found. What we're trying to do, I think, is you wanted to have the user detail service implemented in JDBC.
Yeah.
JPA. Give me one more sec. I have an old example. I believe. Let's see. I think it's on another Kaku. Bear with me. I'm pretty sure I have. Where would it be? Media. USB drive. So I got some old. Oh. Mount this USB drive. Can you hear it spinning in the background? So I know I've got examples of this somewhere. I just haven't done it in a while. So I'm going to try to find it. Oh, look at that. Lucky guess. Here we go. Off. And
What time is it in Kansas?
it is 1:11 a.m.
Okay. So you're 7 hours behind. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Literally woke up like 10 minutes ago.
Awesome. Oops. So here, what did I do here? Oh yeah. So when I'm gonna copy this without any of the package names. So hopefully we're not breaking any rules. I'll give you an example. I will put this, I'm adding your screen, that's you. I'm going to put this over in Discord, and there you've got a copy of the user GPA object out of my old, this is like a Spring Boot 2.0 implementation.
Yeah.
But you can see that that's just super simple. And then let me see if I can find
the thing. I was wondering because what I'm using is the standard the security provisioning
I gotta
JD.
the screen. Give me one sec here. All right. Okay.
So what I'm using is the JDBC User Details Manager.
Okay.
So that's just from Spring Security, and that was also the one that was Josh was using. to store the to persist the users,
Okay.
and the app and the schema only included the of two registry clients, the users, the authorities, the authorization consent, and the of so all these. But I wanted to use I wanted to like get a minimal example started with like the groups, and they use groups to here they use groups for the authorities. So your users are part of a group, and a group has certain authorities.
Mm-hmm.
So I wonder how that can not be like there has to be a schema somewhere for that, right? Because I don't. For me, it doesn't make sense that they only like publish part of a schema for that.
Yeah, hold on one sec. I just got a message. So it's against the terms of service to download anything in the YouTube thing. So it's kind of thing you didn't always for this. Something else is maybe remove. Oh no, I found the YouTube client. This is from Josh from earlier, and the auth example that should make this work. There. All right. Stay tuned. Oh, what happened to your screen?
I think it was missing. I reshared it.
So we want the groups and user in groups.
Yeah. Here's the example from Josh, right? That's what I've been following, and he only has that schema with the he also uses the JWC user details manager. But the problem is there's no
Wait, I'm not seeing your screen.
Oh. I shared it. Should I do it again?
Did I pull it? Oh, I might have knocked it off. Sorry. Please hold. Boop. There we go. Add.
Here.
All right.
So that's the example from Josh he did on Coffee Software. So he has so that's where I got the schema from.
Okay.
And he also uses the JWC user details manager, the same one I've been using. I just wanted to use the standard Spring one because probably the best instead of writing my own. And on the Spring authorization server project itself, they have these samples, and they have a default authorization service.
Yep.
And then the demo one, and I think here they don't have that. Yeah.
All right. Please hold. Spring security.
Authorization server. Nope. I didn't find it in here, I think. Custom authorization schema. Nope. It wasn't in here either.
User detail management, setting up a data source. Oh, back schema. Okay, users, authorities, groups. Here we go. Booyah, I got you, bro. I found it.
Awesome.
I found it. Here, I'll put it here, and you can pull it up, and then I'll also throw that into the chat, so that everybody else knows, like, hey, this is what we were looking for, and that's the URL that I just shared, and that has the group members, schema, info.
Ah, yeah, it's in the Spring Security. Nice. Awesome.
All right.
I thought the JWC user details manager was from the authorization server project itself, but see now
they're
it's
all.
it's it's standard security.
This is what we're doing, man. So
Yeah.
here's the thing.
Awesome.
What we just demonstrated, Thomas, was that sometimes it's just nice to like have somebody else. I guarantee you understand this. This is in the top of your mind right now. You understand it better than I do. I've done it in the past. I kind of knew where to look. I kind of remembered. I had some examples to see what's going on, but I've been where you are. So I'm just kind of leveraging that experience, and I hope that this helps. I hope this gets you over to the next issue.
Yeah.
Right? Hopefully we didn't spin our wheels too long on this.
No.
And, yeah.
Awesome.
This is great.
Thank you.
This is great. So what do you have? What do you have going on today?
I'm going to the JUC, the Java user group in Stuttgart.
Awesome.
Actually, and otherwise that I'm working on an article about Spring Authorization Server.
Wonderful. Hey, I got a question. When are you going to start doing videos?
Videos.
Yeah, YouTube videos, streams. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I don't want to get into all that. But how about this? How about you do your article and then you come in and you talk about your article and we do it on a video? Or I'm going to tell you my cheat code. Actually, this kind of ties into what we were doing before. I'm not a good writer. Like, hands down, I'm not a good writer. What I do like to do is I like to have conversations like this where we can talk through something, and then I take that and I take the transcript and I use that transcript to help my writing. And then I use Hemingway app and I, fix it up and clean it up, and then I figure out, hey, move this paragraph here, and that's the easiest way for me to do writing.
Mm-hmm.
So what we were working on earlier today with Josh and Duan was, oh, this is right. Hold on. Josh is right. I'm on board. I am working on this thing that'll take our YouTube video and give us a transcription of it, and then generate like a summary of it and give us like notes so we can tweet it out and all that kind of stuff. And then it also, we generated like, hey, give us a good thumbnail image to go along with it so we can put it on YouTube and all that kind of stuff. And it was so much fun. It was so much fun. But you're brilliant. I love your work. I would like for you to do some more video stuff. I want more people to know how awesome you are. And I'm sure me and my 200 Twitch followers, right? My 200 Twitch followers, we could, drum up some business, drum up some views, and yeah, just practice, right? It's nice to practice with a small audience, but just get some reps, and then I'm just trying to jumpstart your career.
Awesome.
You're gonna have to do some more stuff, and yeah, it'd be fun for me if we like got to hang out for, even if it was just like an hour every now and then.
Sure. Awesome. Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. All right, let's go. That'll be fun. I'm trying to get better at this.
Actually got a YouTube channel, but it only I've got some editing experience, but it only was like from my semi-professional Rainbow Six Siege career.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. See, you get it. You get it. That's awesome, man. That is so cool. I forgot about that part. When's the last time you used your Stream VR?
VR. You mean the Valve Index?
The Valve Index, yeah.
I actually sold it.
You what?
I wasn't the I don't know, the caching was not comfortable anymore. Like, okay. I couldn't. I tried to get new ones, but I just didn't use it anymore. I was like, what's sitting? But I got a desk treadmill, so I've been walking every day.
Like, hey, good for you.
4 to 10 kilometers every day.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
that's good. Baby steps, man.
Yeah, baby steps.
Get yourself a Garmin. Get yourself a Garmin, and then we can like poke each other, and we can be accountability buddies.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Excellent, man.
Cool. I don't want to keep you from sleeping anymore.
I do have to go sleep.
Yeah.
I gotta
So.
meet. I gotta meet here in like 7 hours. So I got my
Okay.
stuff done. I think that I'm in good shape. I haven't been checking the chat. Oh, look at this. Did we just get rated? Oh
Yeah.
boy, we got
Awesome.
rated. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Coding with Strangers. Like, look at this. We're hanging out. We're getting ready to wrap up. But tell me how your stream went. Here, I'm gonna do this. Coding with Strangers. This is Thomas. Thomas is a brilliant, up and coming Spring developer, doing amazing things. And yeah, I'll do this. Whoop, there you go, right here. Like, we're hanging out. We were just wrapping up our show. What's going on at your show? What did you do today? How did it go? This is great. This is great. What is up? You know what? So I'm learning the whole like Twitch, the rules. Like, you know, I got reminded by Grimy Badger. Like, once we do our thing, once we say, hey, thank you so much for coming, then I have to do this. I gotta go shout out, boom, to at Coding with Strangers. Boom, hit that button. There we go. Coding Strangers says, I was listening in, editing some videos. Did you see our stream earlier today? Actually, maybe I could do a quick demo of that because it's pretty slick. So this is not my work. I'm going to show Lab Every Day's example. Let me see if I can pull it up. The YouTube Analysis Assistant. Let me bring up his version. So this is on GitHub. And I'm going to show it this way because you'll get it. This is going to be cool. I was just talking to Thomas about streaming. He hangs out on my stream. He hangs out with the same folks I hang out with. He goes around and speaks at conferences, and he takes stuff to production. And yeah, he does amazing things. So I'm trying to talk him into coming on my stream a little bit, and then we're going to jumpstart his stream because he's always doing good stuff. Thomas is from Germany, so this is like his day's just getting started. So I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to do it like this. We'll hang out. And I'm going to do a git pull. See if anything is there.
You don't have your Python in your Spring Boot app. You know that's possible with GraalVM.
Yes, I do know that's possible because I was at Spring IO. I know. But we're making this one beautiful. So we kind of followed Lab Every Day's work, and that's what we were working on earlier. So we're just taking the same thing, we're making it beautiful. But this is Python. Coding with Strangers. This is Python. This is gonna resonate. I gotta remember all the things I gotta do. So let me go hit this README. I got the API key in there. I have to do this. Source env bin activate, and then I've got to do pip install -r requirements.txt, and then from there, then I can do streamlit run app.py. So here's what it does. Here's what it do. I give it a YouTube URL. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the YouTube URL from earlier, from where we were working on this. Not that one, this one. This is the one that we had. I'm going to grab this link, copy it, close that. I'm going to grab this link, I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to say, go. So, oh boy, I broke something. Oh, it doesn't have a transcript yet.
Oh, yeah, you have to get an older video probably.
Oh, so let's do this. I want to make sure it has one. So I'm going to edit the video, and I'm going to go make sure. Where do I do that? Subtitles? Wait, oh, it's still processing. So yeah. Dar. All right, I'll grab an older one. I'm going to grab a video from somewhere. This one. Wait, this is a 3-hour video, but I'm going to grab it anyways. Grab that. Where's the link? this one. So this is a 3-hour video that this is going to, I'm going to clear that one. So this is going to go and get the transcription for, and it's going to analyze it. But this is all like, this is, Duan did this, lab every day. Let me pull up that URL. YouTube, no, github.com, lab every day. Here it is. So if you want to like pull this apart, this is definitely for you. Coding with Strangers, Hero, this is for you. I'm going to put this URL in here in the chat. Like, go take this for a spin.
Awesome.
Boop, there it is. This is what you want to play with. This is the fun stuff. So
I did a lot of Python when I was a kid. So
there you go. So this is taking a long time. It's 3 hours. Oh, it didn't work again. What happened?
your open
my
API.
key. I didn't do something right with my API key. Oh, I know what it was. What didn't I do right? I know what it was. I accidentally shared my API key on stream earlier. Let me go fix that real quick. I got a new one.
Hey, I've seen that Open API is pretty good in validating that. I wonder if they like have like from GitHub something like a stream or something that they look at every GitHub commit that is pushed and look for open API keys. I wonder how they are doing that.
OpenAI. Let me grab this key. Copy. And I'm going to try to not share all my secrets. Oops. Did I do it already? No, I didn't. Let me grab this one. I'm going to put that secret in there. All right, good. That changed. Let me close that up so I don't put my secrets on the stream. And we'll try it again. Because I'm not the only one that's done that. I've made mistakes. So let's try this again. Let's try this again. Okay, we got it. We're going to do this video. This one, copy that URL. Throw it in here. And let's try it again. This big 3-hour long video. We had to use the ChatGPT 4 Turbo so it could handle 120,000 tokens. I am just failing all over the place here. Generated thumbnail is not defined. What did I do? I messed up. That's what I did. The cool thing is we were working on this. Watch the video, and you'll see how awesome it is. Like, this thumbnail was generated here, was generated with that tool.
Nice.
All this stuff, like, it's just cool. Like, you can tell which ones. I generated this one with the tool before we did the stream, but the whole idea is we're gonna do a stream just like I'm gonna do it with this one. When I get done, I'm gonna give it the URL. I'm gonna throw it in there, and it's gonna tell me what description to write. It's gonna give me a summary. It's gonna tell me, or it's gonna give me a thumbnail. It's gonna generate one for me. It's cool stuff. Super cool stuff. And I'm pumped. So this is
Very
it's
nice.
fun. That's what we've been working on. That's what's been keeping me busy all day, coding with strangers. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing more. I'm on a little bit of a roll here with my stream, where I've been having lots of fun and streaming a lot. And he says, ninth, and it's Python. Yeah, you can do the Python. I'm converting it over to Java. I'm making it beautiful with my buddy Josh. And yeah, we're just going to keep on going. We're going to have fun with this. So that's what's been going on over here. But we're just wrapping up. I got an event coming up in just a few hours. And I was wrapping up for that event. So that's what's happening. We're good. Thomas, I appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
really do.
I appreciate you as well.
Good morning.
Yeah, I didn't get my first coffee yet.
Yeah, I didn't have coffee yet.
No,
All right.
I was like, gotta run from my. I was watching the stream in bed and was like, Dashawn helps me. I gotta run.
Well, wonderful. I'm glad I could help you get over the hurdle. And yeah, I'm like, oops, I got an echo here. I don't know where I got the echo from. My bad. But I'm glad that we got to do this, and we're having
Awesome.
lots of fun. Thank you for joining.
Thank you for
Let's
inviting me.
keep it up. Have a good rest of your day,
Yep,
and I'll probably
too.
see you again later today.
Yeah. Have a good sleep and
All right.
bye
Computer
bye.
strangers, thanks so much for the raid. Oh, you know what I should do? I should raid. I should raid somebody since we have folks. Let's go see if there's anybody else here. Twitch.tv. Let's go see if I can just take our folks and go over to. Let's see who else is on. Let's see who else is raiding. Let's see.
Is there like a coding category?
So I
in
have my
Twitch?
little folks. Begin bot, ODAT nerd. Microsoft is doing a .NET thing. Melty Brain, Griffin Chill, GoTZ. Those pages, I accidentally the whole Stardeus code base. This guy, Tomcat. We're gonna do Tomcat, and I'm gonna do that. We're gonna raid Tomcat. He does World of Warcraft mods, like plugins stuff, but he does it with Spring Boot.
Oh.
So I just found his channel the other day, so we're gonna go raid him. Thank you, everybody. This was fun, even though it was short. Let's go raid Tomcat.
Awesome.
All right, the raid's
Then.
been created. We're ready to go. Thanks a bunch. See ya.
Bye.